What's up, guys? Got another Dawn of Majesty opening for you. Pow. Let's see if we can get lucky today. Clean opening, love that. All right, first up, we've got Slower Swallow. Like his little bonnet hat. All right, we got Tailwind of Gusto. Here is Springen's Interluder. We've got Gunkin Sioux Shipyard Seaside Supper Spot. We got Magic Key Dragon Andarambe Bime. I have no idea. Andra Bime. Yeah. We got Cosmic Slicer Zeral. Here is Stardust Trail. We got Triamid Loading. And final card is Beast King Unleashed. So there you have it, guys. Another Dawn of Majesty opening for you. Brand new Yu-Gi-Oh! Set. So I'll leave price in the description below, as always, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.